make a little and the Hi guys, today I want to talk about disc sandpaper. For jewelry, when I'm working with this sandpaper, sometimes the edges get really ripped like that, torn. So I want to fix this for you guys. When it gets like this, when you're doing work, detail work, this sandpaper cannot go inside and you cannot do detail work. So how I want to fix this, I want to get one of my old Freza bit and I want to do little sharpening like that. What the hell? Wait, let me do that part again. This is carbide. I don't know why it's here. This is not metal. Let me find one old one here. Okay, so I'm gonna find one of my old bits and I want to file it, make a little sharp pin, and I want to come back here, go fast, like that, cut the bad part out. So what you want to do here is you want to make the edge sharp. When you cut it, you get a little bit of thicker sandpaper on the edge. What you want to do is get another disc sandpaper, just grind the back and hold it in this angle like that. Grind the paper out. Right now, this thing gets, just clean it like that a little bit, right? So right now this thing is very sharp. It would cut you because it's very sharp. The reason it gets sharp, I can go into detail work, like just go inside there, right, and just clean in that little notch there like that. So this is how you can. So this is how you can make your disc sandpaper work again and make it like nice sharp where you can go in and do detail work. Usually the smaller size like this works a little bit better when you're doing detail work than the actual bigger, larger size when you have from the marketplace. So this is how I do my detail work, and I reuse my disc when they get old. I just cut it and then sharpen it and then reuse it. You don't have to throw it away. So yes, thank you very much for watching. I hope this is going to help you do better work. Thanks.